All right, you guys should absolutely love this. I have simplified the process of booking real estate shoots. You can do it online, and actually it's on a number of my sites. I'm going to put it on all of them very shortly, but definitely at propertytour.site. Up here you can see schedule online. I'm going to click it. And it basically just says, simply pick a date, answer a few questions, and receive a free and no obligation quote. Upon your approval of the quote, the date will be confirmed and your shoot scheduled. It's fast, easy, and convenient. Click here to begin. You click it, it just goes down the page. Very simple form. Right now I've only got two things on it. Residential real estate photography shoot. Let's select that. Now here's my calendar. The dark black are my available dates. This covers the entire rest of the year. It synchronizes all my calendars, including my personal calendar. So if you see a date here, it means I am available. There's no question about it. So this is tomorrow. I just clicked the 12th. Looks like I have 4 time slots open: 9 a.m., noon, 3 p.m., and 6. So just for the heck of it, I'm going to go 9 a.m. I'm doing this. Now there's some questions. Square footage of the home or apartment. 1500. Property location, the street address. 2245. Whatever. Specific services desired. Be very specific here. Photography. Twilight shots. Say drone shots. Only put here what you want, because I'm going to send you a quote, and as soon as you accept that quote, your date will be locked into this time period. Property access instructions, very important. How am I going to get into the house? So you just leave me whatever instructions. All right, then we're going to click next, and it basically talks a little bit about rescheduling. There is you might want to read through that. Okay, now it's going to ask for your contact information. I'm just going to put Mark, email, oh gosh. Okay, phone number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very important that I have your phone number in case I have questions, and any optional message you want to include, you think I need to know, you can type it in here. Terms of service are here, and this is really just about rescheduling. As long as you reschedule 48 hours or more prior to your actual booked photography, there is no charge. If it's within 48 hours, it's one charge. If it's within 24 hours, it's another, because obviously that represents a loss of income for me. I could have booked someone else in there if you cancel last minute. I take no pleasure in that, so please, 48 hours or more prior, and then click book. Okay, and thank you for my photography cert. Let's get your property ready to shine, and there's a property guideline here, how to prepare a house for photography. If you want to download it, you can. When you click that, it's going to open a new tab. You're still on the page. And home preparation, it's a PDF, as you can see, and it will help you prepare the house. If you already know how to do this, you don't need to download it, but everything is contained right in here. Very, very cool. Okay, you can book another one. Like, say you have another house and you want to set it up for another time, you can book as many as you want in here. Or if you're done, you can just leave it at that. And see, I just got a notification in my email, and the notification is telling me that you have booked. So that means I'm going to go into the system, and I'll just give you on the surface here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to find your, I believe, March 29th. No, that's April. I'm still going to have to learn how to okay, tomorrow, 9 a.m., there it is. And it's yellow because this is tentative. What this means is I have to look at it, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide you a quote for what you have asked for. And you'll get that in the email, and all you got to do is say accept quote. You don't pay until I actually deliver your photos, I'm just confirming, okay, this is the agreed upon price to do this for you. You say confirm. I also get notified, and then I lock this in. I secure it. And I'm still, I haven't done that yet. This is the first time I've used this. Okay, pending approval. See, that's what it's on the calendar called, pending approval. I can go, once I booked, as soon as you accept the quote, just like that. And it's just that simple, guys. You can schedule online. I've been working on this. I set it up for you because it's the simplest way to do this. I think you're absolutely going to love it. Please use it. Helps me stay organized as well and prevents any double bookings. All right, see, yep, that means it's pending. I need to send a quote. How cool is that? Come on, you got to admit it.